Good afternoon, everyone. JR with Secure Metals. Today's Wednesday, August 20th, 12:03 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Got some quick technicals. We're going to do the Dow Jones, gold, silver, as well as the U.S. dollar. Okay, weekly chart on gold. Gold still respecting here this triangle here, still trading within this triangle. Okay, I'm still waiting for prices to dip here or to come up here. So as of now, we really just are trading flat. Okay, a lot of political tension. So again, I continue to favor the upside here, waiting for a test here to this level down here. Okay, this level here, I'm taking this out. The reason why is because you see this long wick right here. Okay, really what I'm looking for is an imbalance in the market. That right there. So basically, even though it didn't hit the mark right here at 1288, it did come down here to 1290, 1292, and then it came back up. So it looks like the market is looking for a balance. I'm looking to trade imbalances, so I'm taking this level out of here because it came too close. So I'm going to look at that as a test of this level here. Okay. The next level would be this level here, but again, I'm looking at this area right here, and I don't like this level here. So again, to me, this would be the buying zone right here, roughly around 1268. If this thing falls down to 1268, 1270, that'd be a good time to buy, at least for me. And on the weekly chart here, all right, so you have this trend line here which broke. So again, this is your area also to buy. Okay, this would be your buy, and you want to set a stop loss at around 1238, 1237. Okay, let's look at silver. I really like silver right now. Silver looks the best to me. This is your silver weekly chart here. I have the zone right here. This is the zone that I'm looking for, 1903. At 1903, I'm looking to buy. Quick stop around 1850, around 1853, 1850, and I'm looking to take this thing much higher. Technicals on silver look really good. Okay, if you've noticed here, we have some levels obviously of resistance up here, right? So this would be your first level here, right? This would be your second level here. This would be your third level here. Now, even though we're creating newer lows, we are not at all creating newer, even though we're creating lower highs, we are not at all creating lower lows. So again, this is a sideways trade which broke this huge trend line to the upside here. Once you break that trend line, technically you are in an up zone, an up market. But again, because of this slide down, we're going to call this continue to call this neutral. But right here, great level to buy. This level is so strong that it actually finally broke this level. So I'm looking at this period as really a time of consolidation here. So to me, this level here seems to be where all the bigger, these are where all the big institutions are coming in. They're coming in and buying. And again, we had so much purchase here that it actually broke this long-term trend line, descending trend line, and really this is the level that we're respecting right now. This is the level. So technically, for this level, for these levels of resistance to be valid, you'd have to break this level here. Okay, so again, technically silver can fall down below $18, though I don't expect it. But again, $19, that's where I'm looking. Again, tight stop loss, looking to make at least on this one 3 to 4 to 1 on this one. So that's a really solid trade. Let's look at the dollar. This is your dollar index. Now, I spoke last time, this is the level that I'm looking at here. Okay, let's draw some lines. All right, good level here, and the dollar has broken above that level. So again, a lot of momentum here this dollar has. Okay, but I think you have this is really because of the meeting that we're having today. Today the FOMC meeting is coming up, and also Jackson Hole is coming up this week as well. So again, you do kind of expect the dollar to get a little strong, but again, broke through this key resistance here, and now most likely going to look to break above this level here. And again, this being the most important level here. Okay, this being a very, this is probably the most important level. So if the dollar can surpass this level here, between 82.20 and 82.70, then you might have some serious legs that might continue to go higher. But again, this is where you're looking to get some resistance now before coming back down here. There is this area here. Okay, I don't really like it too much. A lot of wicks here, a lot of indecision, and then you had to move to the upside. So this level now becomes a valid level because it did take out this level here, but not a very strong resistance. We like to see levels like this. Actually, not even like this either. You want to see some bodies in the candles. You don't want to see candles like this where it's just they're wicky without any bodies to them. That's not very strong. And when you have too many candles, again, you call that weak. So I'm going to call this a weak level of support, but still, being that it broke through that level, that makes it a little bit stronger. But again, not the best tradable level here on this dollar chart. And this is your dollar daily chart here. Let's look at the weekly. Yeah, and on the weekly, again, this is where you're looking to find some this is where you're looking to find resistance. So again, you might get in this zone here. We're actually in the zone right now. Yeah, we're actually in the zone right now on this level. And from here, probably go up a little bit higher, find some resistance, and then drop. But again, look at these wicks. These wicks right there, that doesn't look, let me see if I can zoom into this right here. These wicks right here, they don't look, they do not look strong at all. So you might have a move up here and then come back down, and you might look to find some resistance down here on the 80-20 level. So let's keep a close eye on this. The one thing that I did want to show as well is the Dow Jones. Dow right now, I like shorting the Dow, again, kind of like silver here. Okay, so you see here, silver broke. Let's clean this up a little bit. Actually, I can. So let's clean this up a bit. All right, so this is the descending trend line here. Broke through. Now, when you break through and you break key levels, you can look for this level here to buy. I really, really, really like this level. Again, especially when you take out a trend line that's been holding you down for 3 years. Very strong break. So again, good amount of buyers here. And it seems like this is a consolidation. This is just really a time of consolidation here on the weekly zone. And again, like I said, once you break this level, good levels to go again to take it back up. Same thing over here, okay? You break a level on the downside. You break a level on the downside to the downside here. Oops. You break this level here, right? Break this level here as well, all right? So you break this downtrend line. You break this level. Really nice candle here, a little bit of consolidation. Now over here, good time to short, 1950. Okay, stop loss roughly 17,190 around there, and you look to take this thing back to 16.5. That's where you take your first profit. And obviously, when you get around here, you bring it back to a stop loss. But ultimately, you're looking to go much further, and I think it's time. Icon just shorted, I think, 16% of his portfolio, which is in the billions. 16% is shorting the S&P. So again, not a lot of faith in the stock market right now. And that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll keep you updated here with the Fed meeting minutes that'll be coming out at 2 o'clock roughly. And let's see what this meeting has installed for us. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye-bye.